Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how to use Infinityfree as a beginner. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into the video. First, we need to register to the website here. It will ask you about some basic information like your email and password. Here I will just insert a fake email and any password. You have to check this and press on sign up. Now you need to verify your email address. Here we are, verify email address. And now we are ready to use Infinityfree. Before starting to create your own web page, you need to insert a hosting account first. This can be accomplished from this button. Here it will offer you 4 basic plans. We will use the free one for this tutorial. Now it will ask you about your domain. You may create it as a subdomain here, where you just need to insert your name, or you can insert a custom domain and creating it on your own. Here we will just create a subdomain. Let's write Sarah, as the fake email I'm using is Sarah. And let's check availability. We may use this one, lovestoblog.com, and check availability. Unfortunately, it's not available. It's already in use, so we can mention any other name, or we can mention the same name but adding an H and check availability. And this is available. Account username is going to be generated automatically, so you don't have to worry about this. All what you need to insert is to write an account password. And press create. And you are all set. Then let's press on finish. Here you can find the status of your email. You cannot start any website unless this status turns from pending creation into active. Now we need to copy our username and start creating our own web page. Press on control panel, which will redirect you to the control panel here, and press on I approve. And here we go. Here you have 2 options. You can create your own website from scratch using HTML, where you can access it from online file manager, but we will not use this in our tutorial. We will just use apps installer here, which creates your own website for free, automatically and easily. Here we will install WordPress. Now you need to insert the username that was given to you here, this one that we already copied before. I copied it again, and you can write any password you want. I will write the same password that I have written before, and I don't prefer this version, so I will choose an older version here. Let's choose this one. And now you can just select any theme you want. We have hundreds of themes here. You can choose any theme you want, any theme you like, and it will appear on your web page immediately. These are all options here. So it depends on the scope of your web page, and hence you will be able to choose the right choice. So if, for example, we are starting a web page about healthy lifestyle, we can use this one because vegetables are healthy. We can press on select theme. It will ask you some questions about the copyright. Just press yes and select install. Okay, I think I have copied and pasted my username in a wrong fashion. I will copy and paste it again. And let's see if it will give us the same error. Now it's working, it's loading. The best thing about this website is that it's completely free and completely simple. And here we are. Now you have created your own software. If I try to press on this link, it will not work because, as I mentioned before, our status was pending. So whenever your status is active, you will be able to access on this link, and you will also be able to access on the lower link, which is an administrative URL. So the above link is used if you just want to preview your own web page. However, the lower link is used if you want to make some edits on it. So how can we see the preview if we cannot even enter on the link? You can just navigate to your all installations here, press on Manage Your Installations with WordPress Manager, and here it will give you a preview of how your web page look like. It's still loading. And here we are. This is how your web page will look like. You can also manage plugins from here. You can activate or deactivate whatever you want. You can also manage themes here. You can navigate through themes. If you want to change your mind about a specific theme, you can change it from here. You can even upload a theme that is on your PC or device. Here are some options regarding plugins and visibility. You can change whatever you want. You can even remove or uninstall this web page in case you don't like it, because for each link, for each hosting link, you can only create a single web page. So if you changed your mind, you don't like this web page, you have to first uninstall this web page, then create a new one. So that was it for today. That was it for this video, guys. This is basically how you can use Infinityfree to host websites and to create different websites as well. Remember, you cannot access the website unless it shows you that the status of your email, of your hosting email, is active. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until that, take care and thanks for watching.